Some of you might have gotten an 04 Mustang here recently. It's a nice car to have. I have the 3.9 V6 version. Convertibles are great, except whenever it's cold outside. Nice and snowy. Yeah. So, some of you might be wondering how it works, or some of you might not be able to get it to work. There's actually some instructions up on the dash. I'll show you really quick, and I'll show you how to do it by hand. Okay, so pretty much this is the instructions. You have to stop the car, set the handbrake, lower the windows, unlatch the top, and push the switch. Reverse is pretty much the exact same thing, except, yeah, you get the point. So, what you gotta do first is stop the car, put it in park, set your handbrake, then from there, unhook these latches. What I like to do is I push up on it. It's a little bit cold out, so that's all I'm going to do for right now. But after you get that set, all you got to do is push the back and forward button, open and close, on the Mustang. Hopefully this helps you guys that don't know how to do it quite yet. Till then, I'll see you next time. Let me know what you think about the new videos. Later.